In this video, I want to talk about what is YouTube Shorts and should you start creating a YouTube Shorts in your YouTube channel? Will it start generating you more views? Is it something worth targeting? We're going to discuss all these things and find out whether it's worth it. Let's get into the video. How's it going, guys, and welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm Simplicity. Hope you're having a wonderful day, and if you are brand new to the channel, we're all about building your brand, business, and impact online through social media marketing. So maybe you want to quit that 9-to-5 job, start a side hustle, or turn your passion into a career, then consider subscribing by clicking that big red button down below and join the Creator Nation. And of course, if you did enjoy this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Really does help support the channel. So make sure you give that guy a little tappity tap to let me know if you enjoyed the video. So let's talk about YouTube Shorts. Firstly, what are YouTube Shorts? Well, YouTube has decided to create what they call YouTube Shorts, which is YouTube's way of trying to target the TikTok space. As you probably know, TikTok has been really taking off over the past few years, and YouTube wants to try take some of this market away by competing with these shorter videos. Even before TikTok, there was Vines, but for whatever reason, Vines didn't work out. But there were always these short-formed, vertical format videos that you would generally watch on your phone, and you would just go through and you would watch multiple short videos. And they are generally your funny type videos, or they can be informative, but there's only so much you can do in a 60-second video. So YouTube Shorts is a way of competing with TikTok. That is where YouTube is trying to move. They definitely seem to be investing into this plan, and I do believe that in the future it will start to become more and more well known, but at this stage they're kind of just trialing it out and seeing how it goes. There are definitely some flaws in YouTube Shorts at this stage. For example, if people watch it through the YouTube Shelf. Now, first of all, with YouTube Shorts, you can only view this on the mobile app, so you're only able to watch this on your phone. So YouTube Shorts is only available on the app, so whether it's a tablet or a phone, those are the only two places that YouTube Shorts will show. Now, it's called the YouTube Shelf. This displays down and where the comments are when you're on the mobile app. Now, if you haven't seen this before, if you don't have the latest YouTube app, you may not see this yet, or depending where you are in the world, it might not be available to you yet, but I'll just quickly show you where YouTube Shorts shows up on the app. All right, guys, so I'm on YouTube, and if I just click on a random video here, and then if we scroll down here, we can see where it says stories. You can see here it shows stories, and then it'll show either your stories, it'll show like people's stories, or the new YouTube Shorts. This is what they call the stories shelf, and this is the only place that you'll ever see at YouTube Shorts. Now, that being said, guys, YouTube Shorts still can be played through the creator's channel just as a normal video. Now, here are the disadvantages with YouTube Shorts. If people are watching them through the YouTube Shelf, which is generally the main place they're going to find these YouTube stories, watch time isn't counted towards your monetization, and there is no monetization on YouTube Shorts at this stage. That being said, if they watch the video through going to your channel and finding the short that way, and they actually watch that standard video, you can find that on a desktop as well. But if they watch the video normally, then there will still be ads on a monetized video, and then the watch time, if they watch it that way, will be counted as well. But if they watch it through the YouTube Shorts shelf, no watch time will be counted, and the monetization won't be counted. So you're probably thinking, if you're a small channel, if this is a way for me to grow, where are the benefits from YouTube Shorts if my watch time isn't going to be counted? I'm trying to get monetized faster here. Why would I waste my time on YouTube Shorts? Well, the reason I truly believe that YouTube Shorts is something worth investing in now before people catch on and it starts actually taking off and there's no longer advantages to doing YouTube Shorts, it's highly important to get in on the trend now while it's still taking off. If you can get in on the trend, you can start getting views and being known in the YouTube Shorts traffic, then you're really going to take off once it starts becoming more known. And what I mean by this is I truly believe that YouTube is going to continue this, and I truly believe in a few months time that they will be monetized and watch time will count. At this stage, they're just in the testing phases, and that's why watch time and monetization hasn't been implemented into the YouTube Shorts shelf yet. I truly believe that it is something that YouTube is going to keep pursuing, and it is going to be official in a few months time. But at this stage, the YouTube Shorts shelf is definitely a great place to start, and I would highly recommend any small channels taking advantage of this while it's still new and not many people are aware of it, because it's a great chance to start getting views. Now, once again, you're going to say, what is the point of views if I'm not getting watch time from these videos? Well, here's the thing, guys. The main thing about YouTube Shorts, or at least at this point in time, the advantages of YouTube Shorts is you're going to get more views from it if you are shown in the YouTube Shorts shelf. if you can show up in the YouTube Shorts shelf, you're guaranteed to get more traffic into those videos. Now, the second advantage is when somebody watches your video, there's always going to be a subscribe button that pops up. Now, here's the advantage, guys. It's twofold. The first one is if somebody comes across your YouTube short, there's a good chance they might subscribe to your channel because the subscribe button pops up when they're watching that YouTube short. And the second thing is, if they come across your YouTube short and they like that kind of stuff and your YouTube short video is done correctly, it's going to bring them to your channel, and therefore you're likely to get a new subscriber and more views on your main videos. It's really just another way to generate audience into your YouTube channel, just like getting someone to collab or whatever it might be. If you can find a new audience, if you can find another way for people to find your channel and to find your videos, this is the way to do it. YouTube Shorts is still new, and therefore the YouTube Shorts platform is easier to get views from because it's not oversaturated yet. And that's why the importance of using YouTube Shorts now is more important than ever. If you wait even just a few months down the road, it could be too late, and too many people have already taken advantage of that traffic source. So that's why YouTube Shorts is a now or never type game. If you're really wanting to grow on YouTube and you're just starting out, or you're just about to start a YouTube channel, I would highly recommend looking into creating YouTube Shorts, because it's a great way to get subscribers fast, and it's a great way to draw people into your YouTube channel. That's why I wouldn't say just do YouTube Shorts and that's it. Although people do believe that a YouTube Shorts channel is going to do better than just a standard channel that creates YouTube Shorts, I truly believe that you want to use YouTube Shorts to help grow a normal channel. So you want to make sure you're not just creating YouTube Shorts, you still want to create your normal videos as well, and then use your YouTube Shorts to pull in that audience to your main videos. And that's where you're going to grow faster, because you're going to generate not just one view, but that person ideally will go to your YouTube channel, they'll subscribe, and they'll watch multiple videos. But that being said, guys, the way the YouTube Shorts shelf works, it just plays one video after the next after the next. So if you're able to have multiple YouTube Shorts, that they will start to pop up through the YouTube shelf, and if that one person comes across a few of your YouTube Shorts, that's going to be generating more views and giving you a higher chance of them coming to your main channel. So YouTube Shorts is truly something that they're in the testing stages at this stage. So that's why things like views and watch time isn't going to be a huge factor at this stage, because they're not going to be monetized and you're not going to gain watch time from that. But don't look at it as a negative. Look at it as a great way of getting your videos out there, getting your channel out there, and reaching a larger audience. Because that is the goal of any creator or YouTube channel, is getting your name out there, getting your channel out there. And YouTube Shorts is a way of doing this where it's not oversaturated and you have a higher chance of people seeing your YouTube short videos. So definitely let me know if you've started creating YouTube Shorts. Let me know in the comment section down below, and give this video a thumbs up if you did enjoy it, and I can definitely do more videos on YouTube Shorts if you did enjoy this video. And as always, guys, if you did enjoy this video, I know you love these other videos, go ahead and check those out, and I'll see you over there. Peace out.